What is up, design family? So excited to announce the release of our new YouTube membership program in 3 distinct tiers. This program is going to be perfect for anyone who's a fan of FittDesign, anyone who's interested in creating their own sportswear or their own fashion brand that is interested in the fashion business, manufacturing, logistics, wants to tap into the wealth of knowledge that we built up over the last 7 years, and just anyone who wants a little bit more of FittDesign. The 3 key tiers start at tier number 1, which is the FittDesign family tier, and at this tier you get a tremendous amount of access. You get never before released footage. Every single week we're going to be releasing behind the scenes. We're going to be releasing episodes that we may not have released in the past, maybe even remastered versions of previous episodes, like our cotton versus polyester episode, our nylon versus polyester, so on and so forth. Some of our best hitting episodes, I'm going to be condensing them with our new found editing abilities, my new presentership, and just giving you the knowledge that you need in a very bite-sized and compact format with transcripts ready for you guys to read and to digest at your own pace. We're also going to be offering our bronze, this is exciting, our bronze digital pack. Every single month, at the beginning of every single month, we're going to be offering one fashion digital downloadable asset, and you can see what kinds of assets are available on our website for the low price of $5, which is the tier price of this tier. And you're going to be having access to things like our factory ready tech pack templates. One of them may have access to our smart 3D apparel mockups. You may have access to our manufacturing lists. Every month we will pick a single asset and add it to that Dropbox link, and you'll be able to download it. Some of these assets go for $88 plus, $148 plus dollars, and you're getting them for the low price of $5, which is an absolute steal. And honestly, if I didn't have access to them myself, I would have signed up for this tier. We're also going to be having access to pre-released videos. We release our content on Wednesdays and on Sundays, and 24 hours before this, if you're a member of this tier, you're going to have access to these videos and you're going to get the benefit of getting that knowledge before anyone else. Next, which is FittDesign Pro. At FittDesign Pro, you get everything from the FittDesign family member, but you get these additional assets. You get in-depth tutorials. So we use Marvelous Designer, we use Clo3D, we use Adobe Illustrator, we use Photoshop. Every other week, I'll be launching a tutorial specifically for the members of this tier that can be on any one of these assets. And I'll be taking requests. That way, if there's something that you guys as members want to see from me personally, well, I'll make sure to shoot that tutorial. Also have a curated manufacturing list specifically for you small-time fashion entrepreneurs. I know that finding the right quality suppliers, vetting the right people to be on your side, to give you the right quality, the right service, is a tremendous headache. Well, lucky for you, I've already done the work and I've gone out and vetted these suppliers for you. We spent millions of dollars with them, and I'll be offering a curated list specifically for this tier. You'll also have access to the silver package, which is 2 digital downloads from our website, and it'll be available at the beginning of the month. And these can be anything from smart mockups, factory ready tech pack templates, and you're getting a great deal on them. The last thing you're going to get access to is 10% off our entire catalog of factory ready tech pack templates, smart mockups, custom apparel. Whatever you see on the website except our customized services is going to be available to you at a low price of 10% off. Moving forward, we have the last one, which is FittDesign Elite. This is for the FittDesign hardcore fans, the people that are serious about their business, are serious about getting the maximum amount of resources, the maximum amount of knowledge, the maximum amount of support that they need. And the first way that we're providing support is a dedicated email specifically for members on this to get one-on-one personalized access from our team of experts. And you can ask any question you want. Of course, there'll be a slight delay time. Within 24 hours, we'll do our best to respond to make sure you guys are happy. You can ask any questions about manufacturing, logistics, fabric questions. Tap into the wealth of information, and I will be guiding my team personally on how to respond to these questions. Can't wait for you guys to benefit from this. This is a way for you to actually get the information you need directly and have it curated specifically for you. You'll also be able to have 20% off all of our tech pack templates. So anything on our website that is a digital downloadable asset, you'll have access to that, and you'll have access to our gold digital assets package. So every single month, Dropbox link with 3 assets from our website. And again, this can easily add up to over $200 or $300 depending on what we add into this Dropbox link for this low price of $30. And to commemorate the launch of this membership program, we're offering a 10% off these tiers. Again, so it's already a great price, and you're getting 10% off these tiers for the next 48 hours. So if you guys have ever wanted to tap into our knowledge, into our base, you want to connect with us better, well, now is the opportunity. I look so forward to connecting with you guys and to building a community from the very bottom of my heart and on behalf of my team. Thank you so much. all you members. And if you're not members, more than fine. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, for being a part of our family, and for supporting what we do throughout all these years. It's been a wild ride, and I can't wait for the next 10 years.